Here is a beginner-level operations manager quiz that covers team leadership, risk management, and continuous improvement. Let's go. Question 1. Which of the following is essential to effective team leadership? A. Avoiding delegation. B. Clear communication. C. Punishing mistakes publicly. And D. Avoiding employee feedback. Answer: clear communication. Question 2. A leadership style that encourages team involvement in decision-making is A. Autocratic, B. Directive, C. Democratic, and D. Laissez-faire. Answer: democratic. Question 3. What is the main purpose of risk management in operations? A. To identify, assess, and control potential issues. B. To eliminate employee risks. C. To avoid decision-making. And D. To cut project scope. Answer: to identify, assess, and control potential issues. Question 4. Which of the following is considered a positive risk? A. Loss of data. B. Budget overrun. C. High demand for a new product. And D. Supplier delay. Answer: high demand for a new product. Question 5. Which leadership behavior helps build trust within a team? A. Withholding feedback. B. Being transparent and consistent. C. Micromanaging every task. And D. Ignoring employee concerns. Answer: being transparent and consistent. Question 6. Which method involves accepting the risk and planning to deal with it if it occurs? A. Risk transfer. B. Risk mitigation. C. Risk avoidance. And D. Risk acceptance. Answer: risk acceptance. Question 7. Which practice is central to continuous improvement? A. Annual restructuring. B. One-time process overhaul. C. Ongoing incremental changes. And D. Reducing staff. Answer: ongoing incremental changes. Question 8. A key benefit of continuous improvement is A. Enhancing efficiency and quality over time. B. Preventing learning. C. Increasing daily errors. And D. Removing innovation. Answer: enhancing efficiency and quality over time. Question 9. Which of the following tools is most useful in identifying root causes of a problem? A. SWOT analysis. B. Fishbone diagram. C. PESTLE analysis. And D. Porter's 5 forces. Answer: Fishbone diagram. Question 10. Which risk response involves shifting the risk to a third party, e.g. through insurance? A. Risk acceptance. B. Risk mitigation. C. Risk transfer. And D. Risk analysis. Answer: risk transfer. Congratulations on completing 10 questions. Let's move ahead. Question 11. Which of the following demonstrates strong people management? A. Encouraging and supporting team growth. B. Ignoring development plans. C. Focusing only on tasks. And D. Avoiding one-on-one meetings. encouraging and supporting team growth. Question 12. The practice of Kaizen in operations focuses on A. Major changes only, B. Short-term cost reduction, C. Continuous small improvements, and D. Avoiding employee input. Answer: continuous small improvements. Question 13. Which is a common risk in operations management? A. High employee engagement, B. System outages, C. Increased innovation, and D. New team members joining. Answer: system outages. Question 14. What is a key responsibility of a team leader? A. Assigning blame, B. Creating conflict, C. Avoiding accountability, and D. Inspiring and guiding the team. Answer: inspiring and guiding the team. Question 15. Which of the following is a risk mitigation strategy? A. Delaying decisions, B. Adding safety checks and controls, C. Ignoring potential problems, and D. Avoiding audits. Answer: adding safety checks and controls. Question 16. Which of the following best supports a culture of continuous improvement? A. Employee suggestion programs, B. One-time brainstorming, C. Top-down orders only, and D. Avoiding change. Answer: employee suggestion programs. Question 17. What does a risk register include? A. Department schedules, B. Inventory list, C. Identified risks, their impact and planned responses, and D. Employee contact list. Answer: identified risks, their impact, and planned responses. Question 18. Which leadership style is known for motivating by example and vision? A. Transactional, B. Transformational, C. Bureaucratic, and D. Passive. Answer: transformational. Question 19. Which of the following is a barrier to continuous improvement? A. Leadership support, B. Willingness to change, C. Open communication, and D. Resistance to change. Answer: resistance to change. Question 20. A visual tool used to track progress in continuous improvement efforts is A. PESTEL matrix, B. Balanced scorecard, C. Sales funnel, and D. Market forecast. Answer: balanced scorecard. How many did you get right? Comment below and subscribe for more.